Welcome everyone. Today, we are going to explore something that powers almost everything we do online but often goes unnoticed: Azure's physical infrastructure. When we hear the word cloud, most of us imagine something virtual, floating somewhere in cyberspace. But behind the scenes, the cloud is built on a massive, global physical foundation: data centers, networks, and security systems that keep our applications running smoothly, securely, and without interruption. In this session, we'll break down what Azure's infrastructure really looks like, how it works, and most importantly, why it matters for businesses and users around the world. Let's talk about something most people don't see when they think about the cloud: the physical infrastructure of Microsoft Azure. When we say cloud, it feels like something virtual, something floating around. But in reality, Azure is built on a very real, physical foundation spread across the globe. This foundation ensures that cloud services are fast, secure, and reliable for businesses and users everywhere. Small blue diamond key components. First, data centers. Think of these as massive, specially designed facilities where all the magic happens. Inside each data center, we have servers. These are powerful computers that store and process customer data. Networking equipment to connect all the servers and systems together. Cooling systems, because thousands of servers running together generate a lot of heat, and they need to stay cool to function properly. Microsoft operates hundreds of data centers worldwide, and they're organized into regions and availability zones. That means, even if one center has issues, another can take over, keeping services up and running without interruption. Next, the networking backbone. Imagine a private global internet highway owned by Microsoft. This highway is built with high-speed fiber optic cables that connect Azure data centers across continents. This backbone ensures two things: low latency, meaning faster response times; redundancy, meaning if one path fails, another takes over. For example, if you are using an Azure service in India, you can still quickly access resources stored in the US or Europe because of this high-speed network. And then, physical security systems. Security isn't just about firewalls or encryption. It also means protecting the physical buildings where data lives. Microsoft's data centers are protected like fortresses. There are on-site security guards 24/7. Entry requires biometric scans like fingerprints or iris recognition. They're equipped with fire detection and suppression systems. Plus, they have backup power generators, so even if electricity fails, services don't go down. This ensures that your data and workloads are not only safe from hackers online but also from physical threats like fires, intrusions, or power cuts. Small blue diamond. Why does this matter? Because businesses like banks, hospitals, and e-commerce companies trust Azure to handle their most critical workloads. They need assurance that the infrastructure is resilient, with backups in multiple regions. The network is fast, thanks to that global fiber backbone. The security is strong, with both digital and physical protection in place. Why try pointing backhand index? So, in short, Azure's physical infrastructure is the hidden backbone that makes the cloud possible. It gives businesses a reliable, secure, and truly global platform to run their applications and store their data without worrying about downtime or risks.